You are going to love the 2020 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, tires, rear all season. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.